Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be unboxing Blocky's Galaxy Defender version number 2, volume 2, Overthrow. Let's see. So you can see the characters that we can get is my most favorite is Super Secret Starscream. Now I'm just gonna open this box real quick.
5 minutes later.
Okay guys, after some hard drama, we finally got the box open, and let's see what we got. I hope it's Starscream. Let's see, here we got, there's supposed to be a card that shows the character, but let's see what we got. I think we got one of the cards, I think. And we got, I hope it's Bold Crusher. Ah, we got Bumblebee! And we got the coin here. Let's see, we got Starscream coin. We got the Bumblebee card. Let's see the card. Let's see the card. We got Bumblebee vehicle and the silicon gel. Let's just assemble this real quick. Let's connect this. Connect this. And there we go. We got Bumblebee the vehicle one. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.